let's continue exploring the unmatched world of the Kenworth T2800 Motorhome. Because when it comes to ultra-premium road travel, this machine deserves every bit of attention. One of the most outstanding features of the Kenworth T2800 is its slide-out expansion technology. With the press of a button, the walls extend outward to increase the living space dramatically. This means when you park at a campsite, your motorhome transforms into a spacious, multi-room apartment. Whether you're hosting guests or just stretching out after a long drive, this feature is a total game changer. Comfort isn't just in the furniture, it's in the climate control too. The T2800 comes with a dual-zone climate system with smart sensors that automatically adjust temperatures according to the weather and your preferences. There's also a rooftop air purifier and built-in dehumidifier to maintain clean, fresh air inside, no matter the environment outside. And for tech lovers, this motorhome is loaded with smart features. There's a central touchscreen control panel that lets you manage everything from lighting, heating, entertainment, and generator power to solar energy monitoring and water tank levels. You can even control most functions using your smartphone, thanks to the Kenworth mobile command app. Imagine starting your AC before you return from a hike, or turning on the mood lights as the sun sets, all from your phone. Another wow factor is the onboard laundry station. Yes, the T2800 includes a built-in washer and dryer combo, which is neatly tucked into a dedicated storage area. This feature is a blessing for long-distance travelers who want to stay clean and comfortable without hunting for laundromats. Storage is another area where the T2800 shines. With underbody compartments, overhead cabinets, wardrobe closets, and even a hidden floor safe, you'll never run out of room for your gear, clothes, tools, or valuables. There's even a dedicated garage bay in the rear to carry electric bikes, scooters, or camping equipment. Now let's talk about the soundproofing. Unlike many RVs, the Kenworth T2800 uses advanced acoustic insulation technology to keep road noise and external sounds to a minimum. You get peace and quiet even when parked near highways or busy campgrounds. Combine that with blackout blinds and double-pane tinted windows, and you've got the perfect setup for deep, restful sleep or undisturbed relaxation. The outdoor setup of this motorhome is also nothing short of impressive. It comes with a powered retractable awning with built-in LED lighting, external speakers, and even an outdoor entertainment panel, featuring a weather-sealed HD TV and mini-fridge. Whether you're enjoying a barbecue or watching a movie under the stars, the T2800 brings luxury outdoors as well. With all these premium touches, it's easy to think the T2800 is only for the elite. But Kenworth has made sure to offer customizable options. You can choose interior themes, upgrade furniture, install satellite internet, and even opt for full solar off-grid setups. This flexibility makes the T2800 attractive to a wide range of travelers, from professional RVers to weekend adventurers. To sum it up, the Kenworth T2800 Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a full-fledged home, a luxury hotel, and a rugged road warrior all in one. It combines the trusted performance of Kenworth trucks with the lavishness of high-end RVs. Whether you're exploring scenic highways or living life on the move, this motorhome makes sure every journey is unforgettable. Thanks for staying with us on Honest Auto Wheels. If you love powerful machines and road luxury, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing reviews. Let us know where you would take the Kenworth T2800. First, the mountains, the desert, or a coast-to-coast road trip. Until next time, keep driving forward with power, comfort, and style.